This is a computer case I built a few years ago. The case houses a Mini-ITX motherboard and an SFX power supply. The majority of this case was made from MDF wood and acrylic that I cut out on our laser. Unfortunately, we weren't on YouTube at that time, so I didn't think to record any video of the build process. But we thought this is something you might like to see, to show what you can make using your laser. There are really no large parts in this case. The largest panels that were cut were only about 9 by 10 inches in size, so something like this can be made using even small home hobby lasers. The greeblies that decorated the surface were readily available parts that can be sourced online or at your local hardware store. These included stuff like plastic styrene tubes, copper pipes, mesh screens, and little metal gears. We'll include links to this stuff in the description if you're interested. The case was painted with enamel spray paint, and details were painted by hand with acrylics. The entire case was coated in a few coats of an acrylic clear coat to protect it. The case was constructed with an inner MDF wood frame so that the front, top, and both side panels can be detached. The motherboard is also attached to an MDF tray that can be removed. This made assembly and working on it really easy. There are some actual working temperature gauges incorporated into the design as well. One gauge measured the temperature near the CPU and the other by the GPU. Airflow in the case is decent, and I've never had any heat-related issues. This was my first attempt at a completely built-from-scratch custom PC case. I was pretty happy with the results. I really enjoyed the entire build process, and I learned a lot along the way. That was really the point anyway, right? It's the journey, not the destination.